hot out here. How long is it gonna take?
I don't know. I called him about like an hour ago.
Jesus, how did you even lock the keys in the car?
I don't know. Probably listening to you complain like you're doing now.
Who did you call?
I don't know. Locksmith magician. It was only like what, $10? Can't beat a deal like that.
What's up, what's up? Hey! Woo! Y'all looking for a locksmith, guys?
Yeah.
All right, well, hey! Well, I'm the locksmith musician. Yeah, y'all just don't understand. I've been doing this for about 4 years. Came all the way from South Texas. A lot of Mexicans up over there in South Texas. So many Mexicans from Mexico would be like, damn, there are a lot of Mexicans out here. But y'all just ain't ready. Oh, here it goes, here it goes, here it goes. Hold on, hold on. It's cool, it's part of the show. Woo! Shazam, now let's get your car unlocked.
How the hell you gonna unlock our car? There is no such thing as magic.
See, and that's the thing about black people. We don't even support each other.
Right. We just go give him a chance. I paid him $5. We go let this boy try to open the door.
Yes.
All right, show me what you got, man.
Thank you, sir. I promise you're about to experience the magic musician locksmith. Abracadabra! Hold up, my cape, it wasn't on right. Biddity boddity boo! Fucking Party City. Open sesame! My baby mama, she burnt my like regular suit. What year is this?
It's so cool.
Oh, it's a Japanese car. I gotta go a whole different route. It's cool, I've done this before. I thought it was an American car. When you call us, you're supposed to tell us all that. All right? Kapoo! Watch this.
Locksmith.
Babe, I know I should have called the right person in the beginning,
yes.
But they already got my rush card number. They already got my $5, and I'm not letting it go down the waste. Hey, man, could you hurry up with the car, man?
I'm sorry, bro. I'm just under a lot of stress, man. I just want to thank y'all for working with me. It's just my baby mama, she's been messing around with my cousin, and please, let me do one more trick, and I promise y'all, I'll get y'all out of here, okay?
This is it.
One more trick. Thank y'all, guys.
I'm sorry.
All right.
Abra, cadabra, hocus pocus, hocus. I got it open.
What the hell?
You broke a damn window, man.
Oh no, he need his ass kicked for real. What thing?
Can you give me a ride to my next gig?